Hello, welcome to Spoon Barbecue. Let's smoke a tri-tip. First off, we need a tri-tip. I've got this really nice 2.2 kilos or 5-pound tri-tip. Then I'm gonna start off by trimming off the excess fat and silver skin. It's quite a lot on this one, probably a pound or so. Anyway, I'm shaving down the fat cap to just a fraction of an inch because I think that's enough. Spraying a little bit of olive oil on it as a binder. Probably wouldn't have needed that, but I just want the seasoning to stick. And today I'm going to be using a Montreal steak seasoning, and it's incredible. And just mix it up. I believe those two work really well together. So one layer of it's incredible on both sides, and then some Montreal steak seasoning. Putting them on a rack, or the tri-tip on a rack in the fridge, and it's going to stay there most of the day. It's 8 a.m. when I do this, and now it's about 1 p.m. Okay, so lighting up the grill, indirect, adding a piece of apple wood, probe in the tri-tip, and it's time to make coleslaw. Okay, so I'm cutting off about 2/3 of a pound of red cabbage and the same amount of green cabbage, the pieces I just chop. And so I've got it different sizes, chopped and sliced. I probably would have been better off using a food processor, but oh well. Anyway, 1 cup of mayo, 2.5 deciliters, 2 or 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, and then 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Whip it up, put it in the fridge. Wait until it's time to eat. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes and time to check this. This is what it looks like. It looks really nice, actually. So I'm just gonna sear it a little bit. I like it when the flames come. Oh well, just giving it a little bit of a crust, and it's time to rest it. I brought this up to about 125. I would have wished to sear it a little bit earlier, but oh well, it's what it is. So the fibers are running. As I cut it now, I cut along the fibers between the two pieces, so that first piece is going to be cut the other direction because I want to cut across the grain. This piece, of course, is across the grain then. Anyway, you can see that in a million videos. Okay, slow-mo coming up with the pinkness of the meat. I believe it came out really nice, really juicy and really tasty. At least tasty looking. Anyway, plating it with a little bit of coleslaw and some meat on there. And then it was time for a taste. There we go, some kettle tri-tip. Let's try it. It's really nice. I can actually taste it's incredible, and Montreal steak seasoning on there. They work really well together, and a hint of smoke, not that much. Maybe I could have used a little bit more smoke than I did. I only had 1 small chunk. Anyway, I'm gonna try the coleslaw as well. That's really nice, and a cornichon. Yep. Really good. I'm gonna enjoy this Saturday night. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye.